Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can enable your notification on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. First you want to close your Snapchat and open the setting of your phone. From inside the phone settings, scroll all the way down until you see Snapchat. Once you see Snapchat, click on it, and over here you can see this option called the notifications. Click on it and make sure your notification is on. If it is off like this, you're not going to receive or enable the notifications, so make sure it's on. After this is on, just close the setting and open Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, you need to click on the little profile picture icon at the top left. From over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you're inside the setting of Snapchat, scroll a bit down until you see this option called the notifications. Click on notifications. Now from over here, as you guys can see, all my notification is off, which means I'm still not going to receive any notification even though I enabled my notification on my setting. Now from over here, I can choose which notification I want to receive. So make sure you turn on the notification which you want. If you don't want any notification, turn that one off, alright? So after turning on the notification you want, you can just start using Snapchat and you will get the notification for the one you chose, okay? That's how you guys can enable notification on Snapchat. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.